Looking for the perfect way to relieve tension and soothe sore muscles? In this video, we're diving into the best back massagers to help you relax and unwind. We bring you top quality product recommendations daily, so you always make the right choice. Stick around to find the perfect massager for your needs. Number 1. Comfier Heated Massage Belt. There's no question that heat can be beneficial for back pain, but you do have to be careful with how much heat you apply. With a few extra safety features, the Comfier heating pad is one of the better heated options out there. Not only does the heating element have 2 adjustable settings for comfort, but it also includes a 30-minute automatic shutoff. This way, if you accidentally fall asleep with the pad on, it won't overheat or injure you. We like many of the other features of the Comfier pad too. Thanks to Velcro fastening on each end, it can be positioned in multiple ways, diagonally across the center of your back or horizontally around your lower back, for example, and it can be extended up to 62 inches for a customized fit. Of course, let's not forget about the whole massager part of this pad. 4 different motors distributed throughout the pad provide 3 levels of vibration intensity for a soothing and relaxing massage with heat. Number 2. Homedix Back and Neck Massager. Technically, this Homedix massage pillow isn't just for your lower back. It can also be used on your legs, neck, or upper back. But its compact, lightweight design makes it a perfect fit for nestling into the lower half of any chair you spend a significant amount of time sitting in. With the shape and contour of a lumbar pillow, the Homedix Back and Neck Massager fits easily into the crook of an office chair, recliner, or sofa to provide both Shiatsu massage and heat to your lower back. In fact, its lumbar supporting design may even help relieve some back pain when the massage features aren't being used. Although it needs to be plugged in, and that limits its portability a little, the setting controls are right on the pillow itself, so no extra pieces, like a remote, are required. Number 3. Rechargeable Neck and Back Massager. Both the neck and upper back can be hard areas to target with at-home massagers, but the Rechargeable massager for neck and back solves some of the most common issues. With a unique U-shaped design, this massager is less likely to slip out of place than pillows and pads, and it won't tire out your arms while you try to reach behind your back with a handheld device. The Rechargeable is designed almost like a sling. The massage and heat features are located in a pad around the back of the device, while 2 elongated straps hang over the front of each of your shoulders and down to your chest. From these shoulder straps, you can adjust the heat and massage features, which are pretty comprehensive. The Shiatsu nodes can be moved in different directions to target specific areas and can be set to various intensity levels too. The heat is adjustable as well. The Rechargeable massager straps include loops for your hands or arms to fit through. This helps keep the massager in place rather than slipping and sliding around. Number 4. Renpho Rechargeable Handheld Massager. If the Renpho Rechargeable Handheld Deep Tissue Massager were smaller, it might have given the Theragun Mini some competition in the portability department, but since it's pretty sizable, we're picking it as our best handheld option instead. You shouldn't read sizable as a bad thing. We love the elongated design and anti-slip handle of this massager, which makes it easy to use on any part of your back. We also love the multi-attachment head, which delivers 3,600 pulses per minute of deep tissue massage. Choose from a gentle round head, a targeted pointed head, 2 different 3-point heads, or a curved head made for hugging your calves, arms, and thighs. No matter what, the Renpho offers a soothing, percussive massage experience. Its rechargeable battery gives you 140 minutes of massage time without a power cord. A few buttons make this massager easy to operate, allowing you to adjust the intensity up or down as needed. Number 5. Zillion Shiatsu Back and Neck Massager. Chairs come in all shapes and sizes, so we think the best back massager should be able to adapt to nearly all of them. The Zillion Shiatsu Back and Neck Massager is compact but effective. It has 4 heated massaging nodes that rotate and knead to provide deep tissue massage to any part of your back. Some of the key things we love about this massager for chairs. It has a slim, rectangular design that allows it to be positioned behind your upper, middle, or lower back. It also comes with a protective sleeve for travel and a Velcro strap, meaning it will stay in place, both on the chair you attach it to and along the part of your back you really want to target. If you have the proper power setup in your car, you can even strap the massager to the headrest for neck relief while driving.